Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Bailichin Among Mortals, chapter 221. So here it is. Let's read the story. Hey guys, it's only the end of the volume. For the author, there will be a final volume consisted of 5 chapters and that's the end of it. Now, we can wait for the 5 more chapters. Now, they've been celebrating New Year's Eve. Family, they're also complete. Everyone is busy. Some of them are watching. Some of them are playing. Sinbui, she was really enjoying a company with her friends and also other relatives. Now, they're playing mahjong. How come you only played 90,000 cards? Do you know how to play? You are the only one who knows how to. So stop talking nonsense. Well, the game seems to be getting tougher. Look at them. They're really serious on playing mahjong. Now, it turns out, Sinbui, her eyes, it was really shining. Well, maybe she really get a good card. That's why she was happy at this moment. This girl, did she really miss Sinbui? Though the two of them are separated because of the New Year's Eve. Of course, she was still enjoying the company of her family. Find out for yourself. Sinbui said to them, sorry, I missed up again. Think I have a good luck with cards today. That's too good. He even know 3 games without leaving the table. Well, it turns out Sinbui really got lucky today. I have been very lucky since I was a child and I think I might be the one of the luckier people. Sinbui said to them. Well, probably she was pertaining herself because she get what wanted. Playing cards and the like are just trivial matters. If you are really lucky, you should find a good husband as soon as possible so your parents can rest assured. Oh, that was bad. Aunt was really tough on her. You have nothing to worry about. The child has grown up and has her own ideas. Well, luckily, her parents right now, they can really understand her. Auntie, do you want to introduce someone to me? Forget it. I have a very high requirements. I want to find someone who is handsome, smart, and loves me. You know, I have a bit of strong personality. No doubt, you should be more realistic. Don't take it for granted. Be too picky. Miss the right one. Her aunt continued to tease her and also want to provoke her by telling her to get married. And I won't bother you, auntie. Besides, I've always been lucky. Now, Sinbui was drinking a milk tea while she was speaking to her aunt. Now, it really makes sense. I'm worried about your parents. Her aunt said to her. No, her aunt. She threw a card and it was 3 barrel. Right now, Sinbui, she was staring at her aunt. Look at her. Auntie, do you think I should miss this card of yours? I feel a little embarrassed to win your card. So it turns out, Sinbui, she really needed that card. What cards did you play yourself? And he ordered me to fight. And now, it seems to getting worried. She will really lose on this game again. Looking at Sinbui and also her mother. Now her mother is smirking. She knows to herself that she can able to defend her daughter. Right now, the luck is siding with them. Looking at her mother, she looks really happy. Finally, it's my turn to get off. I'm tired of sitting. Dad, you come. My daughter is amazing. I wish you good fortune for the new year. Finally, she's getting tired of. She wants to stood up. Go back to the room. Sissy, what are you doing? Sissy said to her. She was watching TV with the family. Now, Sinbui, is she going to tell her about what her aunt said to her? Sissy, you're there. It was a wrong answer. I give you a chance to answer again. Now, she's getting impatient. She's going to trick Sissy. You only have one chance, so you must cherish it. Sinbui said to Sissy. Now, looking at her, got really serious. So it turns out, you also have a lot of visitors. Parents seems to be busy attending the visitors. You only have one chance. Thinking of you while watching the TV. Oh, Sissy said to Sinbui. Oh, it turns out you really know how to coax her. Hey, I just assume that you're right. I just pretend that I don't hear. See, those 6 points. Well, she was really happy. Although some of it might really upsetting, but right now at least she was talking to Sissy on the phone. Are you messaging Chelsea? Mom, are you falling down? Yes, Sinsin is playing. Mom told her, don't take what her aunt said to the heart and don't get angry inside. Mom, I won't keep my anger in my heart. I'll tell her back. Control whether she's angry or not. Of course, your father and I have thought about it seriously. Your choice was unexpected. It was something we had not thought of it and did not understand. Now, her mother is trying to explain to her, no matter what, you are your mom's and dad's most beloved daughter. As long as you are happy, we know that we have fulfilled our greatest wish. Oh, her mom suddenly, well, probably she has relationship with Sissy. Now, after hearing this right now, Sinbui, she looks really teary. She moved closer to her mother. Mom, you're so annoying. You have to do it on New Year's Day. Sinbui, she was complaining to her mother. Oh, this is really cute, right? How about mommy asking Chelsea to come and comfort you? Well, her mom can really joke like this. There are only 10 minutes left before we ushers in a new year. Chelsea, it seems that she was speaking with Bailijin. Well, let's see. It seems that Bailijin. Happy New Year, you face mortal. Happy New Year, Chelsea. I just told Sinbui, but we cannot forget you. Happy New Year. Language is still so poor. You're not even half as good as me. Oh, she become tricky, right? Everyone seems to be fine. You must work hard to catch up with me. In the new year, Mixie and I are going to watch the fireworks. Now, the fireworks is starting to play. It seems that it was really beautiful and also, well, let's hope for a happy and prosperous New Year's for them. Xiaojin and Mixie are being together at this moment, enjoying the company of each other. Well, let's see what's gonna happen. Xiaojin, she moved closer to her, kissed her gently, and said to her, I can bear to close my eyes. Xiaojin said to Mixie. Right now, Mixie, she was staring at Xiaojin's. Well, this will be our last kiss. Well, it's almost the end. Hey guys, let's wait for more 5 chapters in the future. Well, this is really exciting. We can really wait to see what will the end of this manhwa. Thanks for supporting guys. Thank you, Lin Chui. Thank you for joining membership today. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!